Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I decided that I'm going to be deep cleaning my room for the first time in a very long time. So basically yesterday, I just officially graduated high school. And you know, now that I graduated, I think that it's the perfect time to deep clean everything in my room. Here is the overall state of my room right now. Like, it's not super bad, but literally everything is covered in either dust or hair, and I haven't cleaned the crevasses in way too long. I'm just gonna stop talking and let's just get right into the cleaning. I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is clean up all my clothes, because right now my clothes are like the main mess in my room. So I'm just gonna start off by folding everything and then we'll put it back into their designated places. This matches my shirt right now. What a coincidence.
Oops!
Alright, now for my dresser, I need to completely refold the second and bottom drawer because I can barely close them right now. And I literally just cleaned them in my last video too, so there's just something about my drawers that I just can't seem to keep clean. So now that we're done all the clothing, the next thing that I'm gonna do is make my bed. So the next area that I'm going to be cleaning is my whole dresser area, as well as my windows. Also, I forgot to tell you guys the start of this video. My Kirkland wet wipes. I just think she deserves a little shout out. Nasty. now that we're done up here, we're gonna clean the inside of all of these drawers. I don't know why I have so many of these. I don't even know where they came from. Alright, so this drawer, is this a drawer? Dresser? It's not a dresser. Behind this door, I'm very excited to clean because it has a bunch of my school stuff that I can't wait to get rid of. This drawer is also like my most random drawer. I have a bunch of books here, but I also have random stuff like contact lens solution and Crest 3D whitening strips. The first thing that I can get rid of is my math textbook. This reminds me of good times. I can finally return this textbook to school soon. Oh, advanced functions. I freaking hated this course. Every time I look at this book, I just think of all the tears and anger and suffering I went through. You know what? We're just gonna leave my contact lens solution and my whitening strips here because I have nowhere else to put them. So down here, I have a bunch of miscellaneous notebooks. So this notebook has all my history notes from this year, and you know, I don't need them anymore, so. Because I don't get a graduation celebration, this is my confetti. Alright, now this notebook is good as new. It's like high school never touched it. And this notebook has math. You know what's funny? Everything that I learned this year in math, I already forgot. Isn't that funny? Alright, now we're done. I have a confetti all over the ground now. So now we can move to the desk area. So I think I'm gonna start working my way from the top and then all the way to the bottom. My pug mug is in here. I haven't used her since Christmas, but I will say she is like the best thing ever, so not complaining. And then I have my 3 squishmallows. I have my cat, a little corgi, and an octopus. Octopus. They make me very happy. I also have this random squishy sheep thing that doesn't even freaking have a face anymore because I squeeze it all the time. It's like so nasty, but I don't know if I should keep it because like, memories. And look, I have another book filled with math. Now I have more pages to rip out. Goodbye to anger. Goodbye to stress. So after like 4 very long hours, the last thing that I'm gonna do is just vacuum my whole room and put my rug back on the ground. Alright, here we go. I need to get all the freaking hair off the ground because I shed more than a dog. Oh, it's not that bad. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below because you're here anyways. I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!